Okay guys, what we're going to do is we're going to try to create a YouTube channel, grow a YouTube channel from scratch, from basically 0 subscribers, because my subscribers are fake. I happen to have 1,000 subscribers, but pretty sure they're just fake subscribers. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to grow the YouTube channel from 0 to, basically making our first dollar, right? And that's going to require 4,000 hours of public viewing time, which means that we're going to need to figure out, we're going to have to reverse engineer the process of making these videos, right? We're going to have to reverse engineer the process. How do we get people to watch our videos? Well, there's going to be a couple different ways we have to figure out how to do that. Now, first of all, there's an important rule that we have to follow, and it's gonna follow under the sustain category here. So we're actually gonna make this look kind of cool here. And then in the sustain category, this is where we're going to follow the most important rule. And there's 3 of them, I guess. But number 1, everything you do must be filmable. Why? Because you need to film everything you do. So that's basically number 1. Film everything you do. Okay? Which means that number 2, everything must be filmable. Okay? That means you have to be able to make it public. Publicable. Right? So, you gotta follow certain rules. Number 3. Forgot what number 3 was. But we could start right here with these 2 rules. These are important rules. You see, we have to reverse engineer the process. Reverse engineering is pretty important. Because reverse engineering allows you to take the end result, something that's done, and work backwards from there to start figuring out how it was put together. So then you could start from the very beginning and work your way forwards, just following those steps. Usually that works for a lot of things. So, suppose number 3 is reverse engineer. Okay. So now we have these 3 rules. And from there, we have to figure out the different other categories here. Keyword, hook, sales, and sustain. What do these really mean? Well, the keyword is going to be finding those keywords that people put into Google, because that's what people are looking for. So you're probably going to get a lot of hits from just having good keywords, because people search that stuff. The hooks, well, the hooks are things that you're going to think of, things that you really think are cool, that you're going to throw out there, your new cool ideas that you're going to try to hook people with, alright? So those are your hooks. The sustain is being able to consistently put out, videos that, that just slowly over time you can keep doing the same thing, because you have to be able to keep pushing out more content, right? But high quality content too, so they all have to sort of fall into these different categories. Sustain, you have to be able to sustain the process, keep your interest in it, because keeping your interest in the process is really important. Now, I've played guitar for 20 years, probably even more than that. Sustaining my interest through the process has been difficult, but I found ways to keep that interest going. Otherwise, I would have quit a long time ago, but I didn't. I've been playing guitar for 20 years, and we've been doing a lot of things for a long time, and there's a reason that people can get addicted to things. So this is kind of maybe your addiction. Yeah. Put that. And then here we have sales. So we have to figure out how to do keywords, how to get hooks, how to keep people addicted, and then how to get sales. And the sales might be, pushing some sort of products, but it doesn't even have to necessarily be that, because you already get YouTube compensation. So, but we'll see how that works, because sales videos are always good. So now we have these different ideas. Let's go ahead and try to move forward.